I'm Rajvi.
Hello, I'm Manushri, and we are the co-founders of iConnect. This International Women's Day, we thought of celebrating it in our own little way.
So we had 4 questions and we received a lot of amazing answers, and we'll take you through the 4 questions one by one.
So the first question that we asked was, do you feel like a leader or a follower?
I feel like a leader.
Let's see what others have to say.
Follower.
A leader.
Follower.
A powerful leader.
I'm a follower.
I feel like a leader.
Leader.
Both.
Feel like a leader.
A leader.
Leader.
Both.
I like to be both.
Leader.
Both.
A leader.
Follower.
Some days a leader, some days follower.
A leader.
I am a leader.
I am a leader.
Definitely a leader.
Of course, leader.
Leader. Definitely.
Obviously, a leader. Obviously, leader.
Leader, of course.
Leader.
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 Follower.
Leader.
Leader.
A leader.
A leader.
Leader. A leader. A leader.
A leader.
Leader.
I'm a leader.
Like a follower.
A leader.
I feel like a leader.
A leader. Follower.
Leader.
Leader.
I'm a leader.
A leader.
Follower.
Surely leader.
Leader.
A leader.
I feel like a leader of my house.
So Anushri, after listening to all the answers, what do you feel? Are you a leader or a follower?
Well, in some situation, I feel like a leader, but in some situation, a follower.
So after listening to you and other women out there, I feel it is completely situational. So moving forward to the next question.
So the next question is, what is your dream career?
Well, it would be to own my own firm.
Let's see what others have to say.
On my own business.
Successful IPR lawyer.
I want to become astronaut.
Good lawyer.
An architect.
A fashion icon.
Dancer.
To become a chartered accountant.
Love to be a pilot.
Homemaker.
Psychiatrist.
Businesswoman come housewife.
Chef.
Professor.
Project manager. To be a painter.
Dream is to open a cafe or a restaurant. My dream job is to be a scientist.
Mother.
Boutique कर रही हूँ मैं.
Doing nothing, getting paid.
I want to be an education minister of this country.
Businesswoman.
I would like to serve for some non-profit organization.
I would like to be an entrepreneur. Becoming an actress, which I can.
Become a facilitator in developing 21st century skills.
Good housewife.
To build my own hotel.
Director of products.
Singer.
It would be owning a lot of scuba diving centers all around the world.
Doing makeup.
I would run my own event decor firm.
CEO at a youth-led enterprise.
In policy making.
Event manager / decorator.
Wanderer of the world.
Something that gives me stability, no stress, ease of life.
Like to be a good urban designer.
CSR professional in a big reputed company.
Getting paid for traveling.
A software developer in a prestigious company.
Successful graphic designer.
A CEO.
Chef.
Successful interior designer.
To travel to every corner of the world and get paid for it.
Gaming.
Yoga expert.
Homemaker.
To be a human rights lawyer.
Is to become a teacher of small children.
Don't you think those are some really bold and impressive career choices?
Totally. Comment yours below. And moving on to the next question that will really get you all thinking.
So what will you do if you find a bag full of 10 lakh rupees?
What would you do?
I'll spend it all.
No, you should not. You should, like invest in iConnect.
So let's see what others have to say.
Yeah, totally.
Buy lots of clothes.
10 લાખની બેગમાંથી જેને જરૂરત છે જરૂરતવાળા બાળકોને હું એમના વિકાસ માટે ઉપયોગ કરીશ પૈસાનો.
I'd probably shop.
Buy gold.
Want to invest into upcoming business.
Going for a world tour.
If I find a suitcase full of 10 lakh rupees and if it's not mine, if I come across it accidentally, I would definitely return it back to the cops.
I would travel.
Use money in animal care.
Shopping.
Charity.
Invest.
Then I will definitely start up a new company for women empowerment.
To help shelter animals.
Traveling.
I'll save it.
To buy a farmland.
Invest 10 lakh rupees for a good return.
Invest in property.
I invested.
Invest. I would probably invest in my organization or startup as well.
Invest in investment return assets.
I will plan a tour to Switzerland with family.
I'll establish a social enterprise where I can employ underprivileged and rural women.
I would donate the money.
I would invest them in a very strong wine portfolio.
I would travel.
10 લાખ જો મને મળે તો હું ડિપોઝિટ કરી દઉં મારા પોતાના માટે કે હું કોઈના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ના રહું એટલીસ્ટ ત્યાં સુધી.
Spend that on charity.
10 lakhs, I think I would invest a few and use the rest to travel.
Give great education to everyone.
10 lakh deposit.
I will plan for a trip abroad.
I'd like to take a trip to Europe.
કઈ મકાન લઈએ કઈ ગામડે ગઈ એ લઈએ.
I would like to travel.
I would love to open my own studio.
Open up an institution that encourages students, you know.
ઘરમાં તો કરી દઉં.
Close my home loan.
Some to distribute for good cause, some to have a travel around.
Start my own startup.
Investment in share market and work for the welfare of the people.
I would invest somewhere and then it will support my travel. I'd spend a lot.
Invest in makeup products. Do shopping.
Donate some money and also give some money to my father.
I will spend it on the interior of my house. I would like to open my own firm.
I would throw a music concert for myself in the biggest stadium of the world.
I will donate it to charity.
World tour करवाना prefer करीस.
Property invest karis.
Okay. I would definitely donate it.
I would like to find its owner or give it to police.
Those were some really realistic ways of spending 10 lakh rupees. The more you think about it, the more answers you get. So, moving on to our next question. It's every child's dream.
What superpower would you like to possess?
What would you like?
I like to read mind.
I would control minds. Teamwork. Let's see what others have to say.
Making everyone shut.
Live with animals.
To see future.
Rotate the earth backward.
Want to be Iron Woman.
Read people's minds and their thoughts.
Love to read people's mind.
Myself.
Would be to fly.
I myself.
Believer.
Reading minds.
Where I can eat all the ice creams and sweets and not get fat.
Love and compassion.
My thoughts become reality.
To read mind.
Compel minds.
I would say that I can sleep at any point of time during the day.
Laser eyes.
I want to eat everything and I don't want to gain any weight.
Definitely invisible. Make people ready in 5. Fly. Oh, it would be understanding and conversing in world languages. Eat as much as I want without getting fat.
Mr. India's gadget.
Kill stereotypes.
Breaking the barriers and talking to people.
I'd like to be invisible.
I would love to speak all possible languages.
My smile.
To read mind.
I can communicate with anybody.
Snatch away hunger and poverty from all over the world.
I would like to time travel.
Doraemon's pocket.
To heal people.
હું સુપર હોમ બનવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીશ.
Homemaker.
I think I have a superpower to deal with many complications at one time.
To read minds.
Now even I want a Doraemon's pocket.
Nice. I would steal like random answers for next time if anyone asks me what they are.
We hope you enjoyed our way to celebrate International Women's Day.
Let's end our celebration with a riddle.
So the riddle goes, a father was about to take his son for a job interview at a very renowned company. Just as they reached at the parking lot of the company, the son's phone rang. He looked at his father, who is sitting next to him, and the father says, "Go ahead son, answer it." The call was from the company's CEO, and the caller said, "Good luck son, you've got this." The son once again looks at his father, who is still sitting next to him. How is this possible?
Well, I know the answer. Let's see what others have to say.
The caller is the grandfather. He must be his grandfather.
I don't know.
Mother.
Maybe the actual father, but he's played the role of a father in whichever possible way it is. I don't know.
His mother.
I think grandmother.
So who's the caller? Who's the CEO?
Of course, her mother.
Mother.
Grandfather.
Father's daughter.
Namota Papa.
Grandfather.
It was his mother.
So the answer is the mother. She was the CEO, and we're happy to see that a lot of you got it right.
So we hope that you enjoyed a little way to celebrate International Women's Day, and we'd like to thank all the women who are a part of our video and each and every one you out there who are supporting us in our initiative. Thank you so much.
Stay connected with iConnect, and you guys know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe.